Good morning, investors. Welcome back to my channel and pre-market report for Tuesday, 30th December 2025. So, the global markets are showing mixed signals. FIIs continue to remain net sellers. Commodities, especially silver, have turned extremely volatile, and GIFT Nifty is indicating a cautious start for Indian markets today. So, in this video, we will cover global market cues with numbers, FII and DII data, GIFT Nifty outlook, key ADR movements, commodities update including silver's shocking move, currency update, that is USD INR trend, and finally Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for today. So just let's begin. Let's first look at how the US markets performed overnight, because that sets the tone for global risk sentiment. The Nasdaq Composite closed at 23,474, down by 118 points, which is decline of 0.5%. This indicates continued pressure on technology stocks, with investors booking profits ahead of this year end. The S&P 500 also ended in red. It closed at 6,905, down by 24.19 points or 0.35%. Selling was seen across sectors, showing broad-based caution. However, there is a slight positive sign coming from a Dow Jones future. Dow Jones Futures are currently trading around 48,529, which is up by 67 points. Overall, the global markets are not that weak, but they clearly not comfortable either. Volatility remains elevated. Now, let's talk about GIFT Nifty, which gives us an early indication of how Indian markets may open today. GIFT Nifty is currently trading near 25,937, which is down by around 29 points. This suggests that Indian markets may see a flat to mildly negative opening today, with no strong gap up or gap down expected at the start. Now, coming to the one of the important data, which is institutional activity. On the previous trading session, I have also posted a shorts on that. That is, foreign institutional investors or FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 786.95 crores. On the other hand, domestic institutional investors or DIIs were net buyers with purchases worth rupees 723.48 crores. This clearly shows that while foreign investors remain cautious, domestic money is strongly supporting the market. This is the reason why, despite continuous FII selling, Indian markets are holding their ground. So, market sentiment right now is influenced by year-end profit booking across global markets, high volatility in commodities, caution ahead of global macro events. At the same time, India's domestic fundamentals remain strong as always, which is why we are seeing a selective buying on dips, rather a panic selling. Let's now look at how Indian ADRs performed overnight, because they can impact sentiment in early trade. Infosys ADR declined by around 1.9%. This indicates possible pressure on IT stocks today. HDFC Bank ADR was down by about 0.33%, which is also a mild negative. ICICI Bank ADR fell around 0.73%, indicating some weakness in private banking space. Wipro ADR was down nearly 1%, again pointing towards a weakness in IT. Overall, IT stocks may remain under pressure, while banking stocks could open flat to slightly weak. Now, let's look at commodities market. Brent crude is trading nearly $61.33, down by 0.25%. Crude oil is trading near 57.92, down by 0.23%. Lower crude prices are actually positive for India, as they help control inflation and reduce import pressure. Now comes the most important and risky segment right now, that is silver. Silver recently hit an all-time high of around 2,54,853 per kg, but soon after it crashed sharply around to 2,25,400 per kg. That's a massive 11% fall in a very short span of time. This is a classic reminder that any assets that rises in a straight line becomes dangerous. So for today, expect a high volatility in silver. Avoid aggressive or leveraged position. Long-term physical silver holders, no need to panic at all. But the short-term traders trade only with the very strict risk management. Please stay safe in commodities today. USD INR pair is currently trading around 89.98 rupees. This indicates a slightly weaker rupee which supports exporters and can create a mild pressure on import dependent sectors. Now let's talk about key technical levels. For Nifty 50 today, immediate resistance zone is around 26,050 to 26,100. Immediate support zone is around 25,850 to 25,800. If Nifty sustains below 25,850, intraday weakness may continue. If it moves above 26,100, we may see a fresh upside momentum. Coming to the Bank Nifty levels. So, for Bank Nifty levels, resistance lies near 55,800 to 56,000. Support is placed around 55,200 to 55,000. Banks will remain the key deciding factor for today's market direction. So, the global cues are mixed. FIIs remain seller, but DIIs are supporting the market. GIFT Nifty indicates a cautious start ahead. IT stocks may remain under pressure. Silver, most important, silver remains extremely volatile. So what you have to do? Trade light, respect levels and avoid emotional decisions. Never ever get into emotion and trade. So that's all for today's pre-market report. If you found this video or analysis useful, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your fellow investors. Akash Bacha, SEBI-Registered research analyst and founder at Wealth Origin. I'll see you again after the market hours video for the post-market report. Thank you very much. Have a profitable day ahead.